Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nelson's Creativity in Gardening. Today I'm here to show you a lot of flowers, loads of flowers of my garden. But let me show you what's the topic of my garden today. Although there are loads of flowers you see blooming, it's a beautiful bloom in my garden today and you see all around flowers. But today's topic is something beautiful that you see here. These are little shy flowers. Yes, dear friends, today's topic is pansies. So I'm here to show you my beautiful pansies. So as you see, these are beautiful flowers. Let me show you some colors first, then we'll talk about other things. So I'll focus on my very first plant. Just have a look over here. Why I call them shy flowers? Because usually you see these petals falling down. So this was my first color of pansy. Now that's the second color. If you see, it's a beautiful shade, and even this one was wonderful. So this is the second shade, and then let's move to the third one. Just see the color. Nature has made these flowers beautiful. So this was the third, and then I have another shy one here. I'm going to show you. See, another shade of pansy, pure purple. So that's the other one, and then I'll show you another shade of purple. This is another shy one looking down. See, that's very dark blue shade. If you see, very dark blue shade, but that's a very nice purple royal shade. And then we have these white ones. See, you see them here. And then of course this yellow, the yellow ones, and I have another purple here. This is a little lighter and bluer texture, bluer with dark purple. However, this one was just dark purple and black, a very rare and dark one. And then of course we have these little maroon ones looking down. If you see here, the maroon ones. So these were some of my pansies, dear, and now we'll talk about the care and propagation. First of all, the first and foremost thing that I tell you in a lot of care and propagation is that we must always remove these dried flowers, because if we don't remove them, they're going to take all the energy. So take a sterilized scissor and just snip it, because this energy, if you want the flower to bloom, so, and the season is there, so just snip it out. And also, if you see one more thing in this, I'll show you. This is because of excessive water. You see the leaves. This is a kind of a fungus that is developing, and because of this, these little green leaves that you see, they are not working. I'll show you some more fungus leaves here. This is all because of overwatering. We had some excessive rain here, because of which. So what is important for you is just to snip out these leaves. You can use your nail, because these are little delicate plants. So just use them and snip these leaves out. And as I had told you, if you see carefully, see the condition of the plant, you'll feel it's not too good. Just because I missed out to cut this one. I was traveling for some days, so we'll just cut this one. Then we'll cut out these dried leaves. So once we remove these leaves with this, if you see how it multiplies. If you don't remove these leaves with fungi, they will multiply and they'll ruin your plant. So what you need to do is, for caring the plant, ensure if you see any leaf that is rotting, any leaf that is turning black, just cut it off. If you don't cut it off, you will not come to know that what has happened to your plant, and gradually all these leaves will ruin your plant. So just snip them off. And the moment you do all that, you'll see your plant will look much better, much fresher. See the difference? Do you see it more greener now? And the same thing happened here. Since I told I was out, you see this flower has dried it is stuck on this leaf. So do remove these. I'll remove these leaves, and then I'll remove these, the lower ones. Don't leave them in the pot. At times a lot of us believe that we leave the pot here, if we leave these leaves here, and these leaves will be of great manure or fertility, but no, they have fungi and they will ruin your plant. So here you see this one is blooming, but again this plant is not in a very good shape because I did not trim out the leaves that were gone. This is a case of a sunburn because this is a plant that is kept in an area where I get maximum sunlight. For experimentation purposes, I had kept my pansies in different places. Some had excessive water, some were kept, not some, this one was basically kept in the sunlight area. So some leaves got little burnt. So, and yes, of course, I tell you every time that while you are using a scissors or a blade to trim out your plants, ensure it is sterilized so that your plant is better. It doesn't get any infection in it. Now talking about the soil, as I said that these pansies are very delicate flowers. You see this loads of buds coming here, and then we have some that have bloomed. So as I said earlier, we'll strip it out, snip it off again, and then you see multiple buds that are coming out from everywhere, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 buds here, 5th bud coming here. So what I'll do is in the later part I'll plan for making seeds, since these plants are propagated by seed propagation. So I will definitely make some seeds, but for making seeds what I'll do is I'll keep the flowers of the later season because this is the right blooming season. Ensure the leaves that are touching the ground, they get fungus, so do trim them also. So these are some pansies. Now we'll talk about the soil. Once you're working on the soil, ensure the soil that we have, it should not be very soggy. If the soil is very soggy, you will definitely not have flowers. Let me tell you guys, pansies are very delicate plants. They need a very good combination, of, you know, manure, healthy manure, a good combination of sunlight, good combination of water. If you do overwatering, it will get rotten. You'll not be able to realize it will happen from the root. By the time you see some leaves, your plant is gone. Okay, so you need to maintain that unique combination of sunlight and water in order to save your plant. So this is what I'm telling something about. We have spoken about the water, the sunlight, the soil, as I usually tell, need to take care of the water. The second thing that we need to take care is that the soil should be well drained. Ensure no standing water is there. That will result again into root rot, and you will not have flowers, blooms. A lot of people complain to me, we get flowers from nurseries, they bloom nicely, and later on after 2-3 flowers that plant goes off, just because we are over worried about the plant and we give it either over water, we do over watering in our plants, or we try thinking that the plant is too delicate and we keep it in somewhere in shade, and because the plant is in shade, it doesn't get sunlight, and gradually you have no flowers. So dear friends, I hope you have liked my video, and please do like this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep liking my videos. Your videos and your liking encourages me. So dear friends, do like my channel. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and I hope you have liked my this video on pansies. I call them shy flowers, but they are called heart ease. They give a lot of ease to your heart. So these are heart ease flowers, specially grown in Europe and Western Asia. I hope you will like this video. Do like, do keep sharing. Till then, friends, stay happy, blessed gardening, happy gardening.